Hi, I'm Caroline Gau in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. Please click the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to connect with you at Caroline Gau, Baird & Warner. Welcome to the Gau Renovation Project. Hi, I'm Caroline Gau in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. So since I saw you last time, we've done a lot of work in the house, and this is a major week for us. So we've knocked out the wall from the kitchen to the dining room, and we added this header so that we could widen this opening. And then on this wall, tomorrow the door here and the window are going to be knocked out, and this is going to become a sliding door. So this is going to give us a lot of advantages. One, that this door is in the way, and this where I'm standing is going to become the island. So having this is going to give us a lot more southern light, and it's going to be easier to come and go. Then over here, they have ripped up the tile in the kitchen and the new dining room, and they added new plywood down, and this is prepped and ready for the new flooring to come in on Thursday. Today the electrician is working, so once he's done rewiring, then they're going to rip up the leftover plaster, they're going to add fresh drywall and get ready for the cabinets to come in. Then over here is going to be the fridge where this door is, and a built-in pantry. And then on either side of this, we're going to have cabinets and big counters along the walls. This is going to be the microwave, this is the sink on this side, and then where I was standing before is the island. It's going to have an induction cooktop and a stove. So we are excited to get this going. So on Thursday, the hardwood floors are going to be put in. So we're adding new hardwood floors in this dining room and the kitchen. And once those are put in, he can stain and sand the old floors to match the new ones. He'll put down a few samples of the colors so we can make sure that we get exactly what we want with that. The appliances are on order, so we just have to give them a date. And on Thursday, we're going to go and pick out our granite. I would either like quartzite or granite, and I'm very particular about what kind of colors and things I want. So the cabinets are going to be put in the end of next week. We're getting close. Tomorrow's going to be a scorcher, but we're not going to have the AC running tomorrow because we are getting new windows installed. So instead of all of this trim here, this is going to be one big picture window, and we're going to have one casement window that's going to open up. So all of the front windows on the front of the house are going to be replaced. So I'm excited to see. This is a big week for us, and it's finally here. Hi, I'm Caroline Gau in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. Please click the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to connect with you at Caroline Gau, Baird & Warner.